Everybody, get up! Let's show Coach Beverage we know how to move! Woohoo! Dance time!
Yes, I too enjoy partaking in rhythmic exercise to music.
Oh, okay, so if you want to run harder and study smarter and feel better, listen up!
This day, this game, this moment, your chance to be the champions I know you are.
Let's break this down.
Fueling up is like building a team on a plate to choose the right players.
This team's gonna take us all the way.
Fueling up is like building a team on a plate to choose the right players to help you win the game.
You gotta get out and move, get out and move, get out and move, get out and move. Only 60 minutes every day. You gotta get out and move, get out and move, get out and move, get out and move. Only 60 minutes every day.
There are 5 positions to fill. Veggies, fruit, grains, protein, the quarterback of your plate, dairy. Dairy has vitamins and minerals to keep your teeth and bones strong. You can rock a healthy body in real life if you eat these 5 food groups every day, every day, every day, every day. Fueling up is like building a team on a plate to choose the right players.
This team's gonna take us all the way.
Fueling up is like building a team on a plate to choose the right players to help you win the game.
Fuel up!
Play 60!
Fuel up!
Play 60!
Fuel up!
Play 60!
Fuel up!
Play 60!
Hooray! Yeah!